In California in 2018, a law was passed requiring backup batteries on all new garage door openers being installed. If your garage door opener was installed prior to there being permanent power to your home, then the manufacturer recommends that the backup battery is not connected to the motor. Once you get permanent power to your home, it can be plugged in. You simply take the clip on the end of the cord coming from the backup battery and snap it into the receiver that's located on the top of the garage door opener. It will take 6 to 8 hours for the backup battery to fully charge and be able to operate your door once it's plugged in and once your motor is plugged into the permanent power.